Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we will learn how to get a void check from Scotiabank online. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. To start, open the website scotiabank.com, then click on the Sign In button. Next, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your bank accounts at the middle part of the screen. Click on the account you wish to get a void check from. Next, under the Account section, you will see an option that says Account Information. Click on Account Information. Then, on this page, you will see several options. At the lower part of the screen, you will see a section for void check info. Beside it is a button that says View/Download. Click on View/Download. Lastly, at the lower right side of this page, you will see an option that says Get Void Check. Click on Get Void Check. That's how you get a void check from Scotiabank Online 2025. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.